Shh.
Mother shusher. Go, 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 go.
Oh, yes!
Shh. Sorry. Mother shusher.
Hi everybody, it's Kylie from Back to Basics Parenting. Today I want to tell you all about my favorite sound machine, the LectroFan Kinder. You can find the app for Kinder on the App Store or the Google Play Store. When your Kinder arrives, take it out of the box and plug it in. Press and hold the power button until the light flashes blue. This means that your Kinder is in pairing mode. Please make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on as well. Don't forget to enter your email for helpful tips and tricks. After entering your email, while the light is still blinking blue, you could press Add a new Kinder. Press the pencil to name the Kinder whatever you like. From the main screen, you can tap on the Sound Selection button and choose from over 70 different sounds under the headings White Noise, Lullabies, Fan Sounds, and Nature Sounds. When you find the setting you love best, don't forget to hit the Save button. This ensures that when you turn the Kinder on and off, it will come back to your favorite setting. Pressing the sheep at the top will bring you back to the previous page. Volume control is as easy as a swipe of the finger. One of my favorite things about the Kinder is the night light. Older kids love it when they're afraid of the dark, and moms and dads love it for middle of the night feedings and diaper changes. The Kinder can stay on all night, which I do recommend. But if you prefer to leave it on for a set amount of time, you can use the timer. With 16 years experience as a pediatric sleep expert, I know what works to get your baby to sleep through the night, and this is it. This is the only sound machine I work with for that reason. You can get yours at sound2sleep.com, amazon.com, and at the top of my website, backtobasicsparenting.com. LectroFan Kinder, your bedtime buddy.
Yes!